What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we are looking at FakerBox, the ultimate tool for developers, testers, and designers who need realistic fake data for their projects. So when building a project, you definitely need to have some data to populate the app so that users can see some data showing or some placeholder information showing itself. And so generating the data sometimes can be very, very complicated. You don't want to type it out all by yourself. So this is where FakerBox comes into place. It helps you generate a huge amount of data of different types so that you can populate your app with them. For example, you can generate person data, you can generate address data, you can generate phone data, generate internet data, company data, Lorem Ipsum data, even commerce data, finance data, date data, word, music, and so many other formats as well that you can easily generate so that you can populate your app with. I think the most common or one of the most needed is e-commerce, right? If you're building an e-commerce platform, you want to have that data. So clicking on it, we can see the type of data we can choose. You can choose the department, the price, product name, product adjectives, even the products, and so on and so forth. So you can equally add some custom regex and you can specify the format you want it. Let's just go with JSON. Let's say maybe 100. So yeah, let's go ahead, we generate, and instantly you can see 100 rows of data which have been created with the product name, product price, char, and so on and so forth. So instantly you can have the data that you can download and copy. So with this tool, you're able to generate different formats of data quite easily that you can just use to populate your app. For example, maybe food. You can go ahead, we have some specifications here. You can say 100 rows. You can add the regex. You can add a custom regex, if you want a specific kind of data, go ahead and generate, and instantly we have our data. So this is kind of very useful, when building an app. You want to have some data you can put in your database and easily query and easily locate. So when it comes to images as well, this is kind of useful. So let's kind of see if it's able to generate real images, not real images, but images with real links. So let's see. Well, one downside with the design is it's difficult to copy the URLs. It's kind of difficult to copy the URLs. We have the avatar URL. We have this. So I just wanted to check if that data was being, if it was putting in real URLs and not just fake data. So let's kind of check it out. I'll try to open some of those links. Yeah, so we have the URL of the image. So let's see if it's actually something that works. So we go ahead and do that. We try to open it. Well, it looks like the URL isn't working. So I feel like, oh no, it does. Wow, all right. All right, so it's putting real URLs with data, real data. Wow, so this is very, very interesting, very, very nice. So if it is putting real URL, then you can use that very easily and very nicely. So I really like this one as well. So how about using the regex to kind of specify the data formats? That could be interesting too. So yeah, so there you have it. You have this app that can allow you to generate fake data that you can add into your blog, and it is totally free to use. You don't even need to create an account or anything. And you equally have other generators as well here. It doesn't just come with this. You equally have other generators as well, like generate finance data. You can see the amounts, the columns you can choose, generate Lorem Ipsum company, and many, many more. So equally, when I look up here, I can see some different other tools which are available. JSON beautifier, XML beautifier, the fake generators, yeah, fake database generator as well. So it does come with a lot more tools as well. So it's very interesting. Take a look at it. FakerBox to help you generate data, sample data, or placeholder data for your app. So check it out and let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.